This 32-year-old guy has made more than $1 billion in just a single year. And if you are looking to start a business or maybe you want to know how to be successful in life, just stick till the end because I'm about to tell you how he turned a simple idea into the multi-billion-dollar empire. In today's internet society where technology is replacing humans in every field, on the other side, the opportunity to make a lot of money in a small amount of time has increased exponentially. Shunsaku Sagami also did the same. The 32-year-old billionaire used the right idea at the right time to turn his business into an empire. But more surprising is the fact that he made this amount of money in just a year. Well, the story started back when he was just a regular employee in the advertising agency. His experience in advertising gave him a huge benefit in understanding market issues and how to serve people. He noticed a huge blind spot in the market that no one was looking for. Around 90% of the Japanese businesses are comprised of either small or medium sized enterprises. And the majority of these enterprises were run by a single person. And when people grow older, they either had to sell the business or shut it down because of difficulty in finding a successor to look after. The Sagami felt that there must be a deal maker between those businesses and the buyers. Finally, he made the decision to give it a try. He designed a platform that could help these business owners meet the potential buyers with ease. This technology proved to be a disruptor in the Japanese market, and in just a single year, the company shares surged almost 340%, putting Sagami on the list of top rich people in Japan. So, this was a real world story of how just a simple idea with the right strategy and execution can make you a billionaire. If you want to watch more stories like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will back with another successful story.